Hello everyone, welcome back. And in this tutorial, we will study the anatomy of extensor carpi radialis longus muscle. So the extensor carpi radialis longus is this long fusiform muscle. And this muscle can be found in the lateral compartment of forearm. It is partly overlapped by its fellow muscle in this compartment, the brachioradialis muscle. So this muscle has got its origin from the inferior third of lateral supracondylar ridge of humerus bone. And after origin, its muscle belly gives rise to a flat tendon in the middle of forearm, which travels inferiorly along the lateral aspect of forearm towards the hand. And within the hand, this muscle tendon inserts onto the dorsal aspect of base of second metacarpal bone. So now, in order to study the actions performed by this muscle, we need to concentrate on the name of this muscle, the extensor carpi. That is, this muscle is an extensor of the carpus. So simply we get to know that this muscle extends and hyperextends the hand at wrist joint. And as this muscle inserts onto the radial aspect of hand, so the second action that this muscle performs is that this muscle abducts the hand at the wrist joint. Now, in terms of its innervation, the extensor carpi radialis longus muscle has got its nerve supply from the radial nerve. So the radial nerve arises from the posterior cord of the brachial plexus. And the nerve fibers involved in supplying the extensor carpi radialis longus muscle are the anterior rami of 6th and 7th cervical spinal nerve roots. And lastly, we will study the arterial supply for this muscle. So this muscle has got its arterial supply from two arteries, and these are the radial recurrent artery and the radial collateral artery. So the radial recurrent artery is a branch of the radial artery, and the radial artery arises as a lateral division of the brachial artery, while the radial collateral artery, as you can see, is a branch of the profunda brachii artery. And then the profunda brachii artery arises from the brachial artery. These two arteries, that is the radial recurrent and radial collateral arteries, form anastomosis around the elbow joint, as you can see. So this was a tutorial on the extensor carpi radialis longus muscle. Hope this is helpful for you in learning the anatomy of this muscle. Thank you so much.